Alright guys, so I finally got the front sprocket off and I got the new one on. What a pain in the butt. You gotta take the brake caliper off, you gotta take that swing arm bolt out so that you can get these out of the way so that that sprocket can come off. It sits, those washer things, that spacers sit right there, and it kind of blocks the travel way of that sprocket. So, that's quite the tedious job. So, hopefully we get rid of this before we have to do it next time. Of course, next time I'll know what to do, so it'll be a lot easier. But man, what a pain. So, hopefully, just gotta put it all back together. Hopefully I can remember where all the parts go. Because I'm not the best mechanic out there. I take things apart a lot better than I put them back together. So we'll see how it goes. Let's see. First thing I gotta do is put these back on. So let's get her done. But anyways, I need both hands, so I will show you when it's done.